Welcome to our success story. Kari Ken Kari Biag Didapilan ng Kumogong San Ildefonso, Ilocos Sur. In a small village in San Ildefonso, Ilocos Sur, a group of passionate young individuals came together to preserve a treasured tradition, the art of basi making. Why does this matter? Because civic engagement is not just about action. It's about connection, culture, and community. And this project brings all those together. In Kumogong, basi is more than just a local product. It is a symbol of history and heritage. But as modern life accelerates, fewer young people are learning the skills to continue this tradition. Our community saw a need to reconnect the youth with this cultural practice. So, we launched a basi making workshop, gathering elders, local producers, and passionate youth for a hands-on learning experience. This effort was made possible by our team of volunteers, the Barangay Sangguniang Kabataan officials of Kumogong, and local basi makers and sellers who generously shared their time and knowledge. Our journey began with careful planning, organizing logistics, inviting the speakers, and coordinating with the local barangay to find the perfect venue.
Nagbaliti-raman na, and even already pa nagbaliti-raman na kung may bagat, it gets better. Because even the grape wines, not all grape wines get better as they age. Only some. And mostly, dahil sumaya at dahil premium quality.
Then came the workshop, a one-day immersive event where youth got their hands dirty cutting cane, learning fermentation, and understanding the science and soul behind each bottle of basi.
Basi, naimas di basi. Segunda istorya, Kumogong di ayan na. Dalangudin, mabasi sa ulit. Uminom tayo, di Revolt 1807. Basi, naimas di basi. Ada na super, at gamit ay sumami. Uminom ka, di ka lalahingan na. Agriin ka, na nasa lokal teksaba.
Kumbaga tayo harap tayo di party kaskila ti panagarami ti basi kumbaga para kadikit Ilocano na awan ng damiten hamlang ti panagbiag kundi kumbaga ti simbolo ti kultura da ti tradisyon da and identity da bilang.
We did not just teach a skill, we built bridges between generations. The results were out. Over 15 plus young participants completed the workshop and received certification. But more than the numbers, it's the stories that matter. Young people now speak proudly of their roots. And with plans to host more workshops, this is only the beginning. What did we learn? That civic engagement can be fun, meaningful, and deeply transformative, especially when youth are given a chance to lead and learn. From sugarcane to spirit, this project, Kari Ken Kari Biag Didapilan, has steered more than just basket. We invite you to explore your own community's heritage. Be curious, be active, be engaged. Together, let's keep our culture alive, one bottle at a time.